Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two IT management platforms, which is Atera and Enable. So to get started between the two platforms, let me decide which of these would be a better choice for your IT management work in 2025. So let's dive into it. In 2025, Atera continues to shine for smaller IT teams and managed service providers, which is MSPs, who needs an all-in-one IT management platform with a minimal complexity. With features like remote monitoring and a management, which is RMM, help desk, patch management, and scripting, is designed for ease of use and fast deployment. Atera's biggest selling point is its per technician pricing model, which offer a predictable cost as your business grow, great for lean teams. On the other hand, Enable, which is formerly known as Solar Wind MSP, cater for more of large MSPs or IT departments that demand deeper functionalities, scalability, and a granular control. Its tools include N-Central and RMM, both of the which offer a robust security features, automation and third-party integration. Enable also supports more complex environment and also offer a strong policy management and multi-suite control. And here's a better conclusion about the two platforms. So choose Atera if you want a simplicity, affordability, and a fast setup for a small to mid-sized operation, or go with Enable if your business demand more advanced configuration, scalability, and enterprise-grade control, both on powerful but designed for different type of team. And that's it. Hopefully you feel a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.